A lot of people been asking me, Tro, you haven't talked about VVS Finance, and we want an update. So today, man, I'm bringing you an update on VVS Finance and my thoughts behind everything that they're currently doing. And also, we're going to talk about the meme coins on the Cronos blockchain, some of the top meme coins that's trending right now as far as volume goes. So we're going to deep dive into that. But before we do, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, guys, turn on those notifications right now. I'm talking about right now to get future updates on Cronos blockchain and all things surrounding the Crow coin. So let's get straight into it. Let's talk about it. VVS Finance, where we at and where is price at today. So right now we are on Coin Market Cap. We're looking at VVS Finance, and today is a rare day, but barely. We can see the market cap is at $135 million, ranked 299 out of all the cryptocurrencies. Volume is at 184,000, up 6%. So not a lot of volume being pumped as of right now. VVS, in my personal opinion, we'll have its day in the making. We will see in the bull market. I do believe VVS will appreciate in some type of way. Now, what way? I truly don't know. Now, in the past year, it's up only 8%. It did go up in March. So everything went up in March in the crypto space. March was a good month for the crypto space, but it's only up 8% this past year. So if you would invest in other projects, you would have easily made way more money than investing in VVS. And I always said, man, me personally, I try to stay away from decentralized exchanges as my leading investment for the simple fact that once you form these specific liquidity pools or things like that, people are going to naturally sell out the token that was formed. Now, if you can put in some utility that makes people not want to sell, then I do believe that creates less selling pressure. But at the end of the day, once you form these tokens, once you form VVS, then people are going to naturally sell for profits. Now, if we zoom out, VVS has down like crazy since the inception. Now, it did come around once the bull market kind of ended. The Cronos blockchain came out super late in the bull market of 2021. So everything kind of tanked around, November of 2021, and it's kind of just been trending down. Now, I do believe, some of the higher ups in the team did use the retail investors and some of the other investors as exit liquidity, in my personal opinion, because it didn't really do anything. It literally tanked as soon as it dropped. But like I said, it was the end of the bull market. So we do kind of got to put that into or account for that as well. But like I said, I do believe VVS will show some type of appreciation. Now, the fear and greed index out of the entire crypto space is 51 out of 100. So people are fearful right now in the crypto space, and that gives us very good buying opportunities. A lot of people looking at it as a bad thing, but I believe, every dog has its day, and we know how the crypto space works. Usually around these times we see, accumulation stages, and then next year around, October, we will see, in my personal opinion, a peak of the altcoin markets. Now, the market cap for the entire crypto space is $2.34 trillion, and that's still not, up there from the previous highs of the last market, which was, I believe, at the highest was about 2.8 trillion. So I do believe it's so much more room to grow. The entire market cap for the crypto space doubles each bull market. So I think, and I do believe that we will see at least, about a $5 trillion market cap when this all ends, or at the peak of the bull market. Now let's talk about it, man. VVS Finance, they have been pretty much marketing meme coins. I love that, because I always said Cronos needed something to bring volume to the blockchain. Like, the volume on the Cronos blockchain was not pumping at all until we start to see, meme coins come on here. So we can see they are doing some good things with Crow with Knife. Crow with Knife is probably my favorite meme coin on the Cronos blockchain right now. I do believe that is going to be a top meme coin in this bull market, especially once we hit the full-on bull market. And they're doing meme coin of the week. I love to see that because they give, emission rewards for these meme coins of the week, and you can sell those VVS tokens off and pretty much buy the meme coin that you want to continue to dollar cost average. And also they have the Crow and Mery. So Mery is another one that is a high ranking meme coin on the Cronos blockchain as well. And they're doing the community voted memes of the week. The meme face are on your hands. Now, something else a lot of people have been talking about, and I would like to really talk about, is some of the IMOs have been sketchy on VVS Finance, in my personal opinion. Now, we know VVS is controlled by the Cronos team. This is a in-house project, no matter what anyone says. I know in my heart, deep down, this is an in-house project. And VVS has some IMOs that really I didn't personally agree with, and that they could have just really put more money into the meme coins that have already been in the space. I do believe this would have been better for the Cronos blockchain, but we can't stop people from doing what they want to do. The community and the people who invest on the Cronos blockchain will absolutely see what's going on, and they have been seeing. I'm gonna show you a chart from a recent IMO, and show you like a lot of people have been pretty much going against what, you know, VVS and the Cronos team is doing. And I believe that's the beautiful thing about decentralization and about crypto, is that, you know, the people control it, man. If the people continue to see that you're extracting funds from the community and it's not looking good, then they will stop investing in those projects. And that's just my personal opinion. Let me know what you guys think about it. But also, like I said, they're really embracing the meme coins on the Cronos blockchain. Now, I do got to tip my hats out to VVS for that and the Cronos team for that, because they saw the necessary evil that meme coins bring into the crypto space. And in order to pump volume on your blockchain, especially in March, you would have had to have some type of meme coin on there, because it was meme coin mania. We've seen all these other blockchains absolutely go crazy just by having meme coins on their specific decentralized exchanges. So that's very big in my personal opinion. Now let's talk about it. Look at the meme coins right now on the Cronos blockchain. We got Crow and Knife coming in at number 1 as far as volume goes. Mery, Puush, Moonflow, and Low. So we're going to talk about some of these meme coins and get into it. Now, Crow with Knife, that is my favorite meme coin. Not going to lie to you. I do believe Crow with Knife is super undervalued or super cheap right now. Coming in at a $52 million market cap. I'm super bullish on that. In these levels, it looks like it's just been consolidating for, you know, the past month. We love consolidation because those are our accumulation phases. We saw that dip. Shout out to the people who listened, and when I said don't buy the top, guys, it's not going to continue to go up. And that's just regular market psychology. Like, it just went up like crazy and people were buying at $100 million. And I was saying, wait till you get a dip, and we are experiencing that dip right now. Now, I'm not saying it can't go lower, because anything is possible in the crypto space, but I will say this is a good area to really start accumulating call if you haven't started already, because it's really, I won't say at the bottom, but it's really at a good position, and it's just been staying at these prices and stagnant around that 45 million to 52 million market caps for quite a while. And I do believe this has potential to hit that $1 billion market cap. Now, let's talk about Mery. Mery is at $5 million market cap, man. Mery dropped off like crazy, but like I said, this particular project has 16K holders. Now, I do believe that is due to partly due to an airdrop, but you got to understand, when these things go up like this, they're going to experience some drawbacks, especially if they go up crazy. And Mery started going up around April. So now we're experiencing a crazy drawback, almost to the price point of where it was once before it took off. And I think this is a very good looking chart, in my personal opinion. A lot of people are like, Tro, this looks good to you. I think it looks good because this could be a possible accumulation phase for Mery as well. A lot of big community members love Mery. It has 16K holders. And a beautiful thing about airdrops, some people might not even know they have airdrops. So they might, you know, it creates less sell pressure because those people don't even know they own Mery right now. So that's something we can look into going into, you know, the full-on bull market. If we look at the market cap with the all-time highs, If we just zoom out and check out the market cap, we can see the market cap went up to about $36 million. So it went up to about 36 million, $30 million. So not too bad for a $5 million market cap. I think we can, get back up today, at least back up to $10 million market cap at the least. But I do project Mery to probably be $100 million market cap in this upcoming bull market, especially if excitement comes back into the Cronos blockchain. Because I remember once upon a time, Cronos was absolutely pumping when it first came out. We had the Memecoins finance DEX that had over $1 billion or right at $1 billion locked in liquidity on it. So I do believe Cronos will have his day again. A lot of people count Cronos out, but as long as a project or as long as a blockchain is still building and people can see value in it, then people will come. You just got to be patient with it, guys, and really just see it through. Now we can see Puush. Puush is probably my favorite and most undervalued project on the Cronos blockchain due to the simple fact that they have the Puush.fund. So Puush.fund is absolutely amazing. It's similar to the pump fund on Solana blockchain. And not only this, when you do this or when you participate in Puush fund, the tokens or the fees that are generated, they are used to buy back Puush and take it out the market and burn it forever. So this creates less circulating supply, and this will create a supply shock if Puush fund becomes very successful. And I do believe those degenerate vibes will come to the Cronos blockchain. People will be looking for the next meme coin, and they will go to Puush.fund to find that next meme coin, and that just creates more Puush being burned. So very bullish on Puush. I'm loving how it's looking right now, right at a $1.3 million market cap. This will be a huge project. I do want to see Puush go to 100 million. I do believe that's possible in the bull market. Even if it's at a $1.3 million market cap right now, I do believe Puush is a super undervalued crypto project on the Cronos blockchain. The IMOs have gotten completely out of control. We see Loaf right here. Loaf is one of the IMOs, and I told you, if the people don't like it, then it's gonna absolutely tank, man. This was one of the projects they tried to push upon the Cronos ecosystem and the Cronos supporters, the Crow fam, man. And we can see Loaf got absolutely wrecked. Now, I'm not saying it's over. It's at a $5.7 million market cap, but we gotta understand, man, when that liquidity is like that, we know it's a crazy IMO that's backed by, a big entity, because it has $5.8 million in liquidity, but the market cap is lower than the liquidity. Now, some people might look at this as a good thing, because if you get in at these prices, you're pretty much getting in at the same prices or under the price that it debuted at. So this can be a huge thing if you look at it correctly. Me personally, I try to stay away from the IMOs, but it's looking pretty decent right now, because the prices are literally below the prices it came out. Only 2,000 holders. And one thing I didn't like particularly about this is not just this IMO, but a lot of the IMOs, they started pushing those on crypto.com, getting listed on crypto.com and on the crypto.com exchange and things like that before some of the top meme coins on their own blockchain. And we seen Cronos do this before with Memecoins Finance and other projects on the Cronos blockchain. They really were promoting their in-house projects, and I can understand for some things such as like a DEX, VVS Finance, even though VVS Finance, I think Memecoins could have beat VVS Finance in the long run. That's just my personal opinion. Now they're kind of out the way. But they are promoting projects that, don't have a true community behind it. Now, I've been seeing people talk about the Loaf game. They have a game that they're creating and things like that. So that does add utility to the Loaf coin. But at the end of the day, I do believe this was kind of a money grab in my personal opinion. But if we play it smart, we can actually get some gains from it for the simple fact that it's at $5.7 million market cap. And you know, with the liquidity of 5.8 million, you will be able to take your money out and cash out no matter what. So that's something, you know, on the bright side of things. But me personally, like I said, I try to stay away from the initial meme offerings that, you know, Cronos offers, especially if it's not built by somebody in the community that we know, that is docs, or not even just docs, but that we know and that we are familiar with. I try to stay away from those coins, but it looks like a good opportunity for Loaf as of right now. So man, a lot of things going on with VVS Finance. I do believe over long term it will appreciate, but as of right now, I'm not currently investing heavily in a VVS Finance, and it's not because of anything I said. I just particularly don't like decentralized exchange coins, especially if they don't have like some type of point system or offering thing that makes people want to hold the actual token. Because once you form these tokens, once you put them in liquidity pools and things like that, people naturally sell them off, and I've seen it multiple times before on multiple different blockchains. So I try to stay away from those, but I do use it. It isn't the cheapest DEX on Cronos. I do believe Ibisu's Bay is very much so cheaper than VVS Finance. So you gotta take all those things in consideration. Now, they do have the deepest liquidity when it comes to the things on the blockchain or the specific meme coins on the blockchain. But all in all, a lot of things going on with VVS. I love that they're embracing meme coins. I do want them to embrace more community meme coins and not try to put the meme coins that they made up to the front, because the community doesn't like it, and it shows it in the prices from those specific tokens. And the meme coins on Cronos will have its day. Crow and Knife will be, you know, I do believe will and have potential to be $1 billion meme coin in this upcoming bull market. And also Puush is doing some amazing things with the community and with what they're doing, so innovative. And Mery is another community driven meme coin that has potential. So Crypto Tro, that's my video for today. I'm out of here.